In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to manage deals, assign lead owners, automate follow-ups, and review sales performance inside your CRM. We'll begin by opening Chrome and navigating to the sales area, then selecting deals. This is where you can view your pipeline and get a clear picture of every opportunity currently in progress. The deals view is especially helpful because it gives you a centralized space to monitor movement across your sales process. If you're managing multiple prospects at once, this is often the best place to stay organized and spot what needs attention first. Once you're in the pipeline, the next step is to assign specific lead owners by updating the contact owner property field. This is important because ownership creates accountability and makes it clear who is responsible for each contact. When the right owner is assigned, follow-ups become more consistent, handoffs are cleaner, and your team can avoid confusion or duplicate outreach. As you update this field, take a moment to make sure each contact is matched with the right person based on territory, workload, or relationship history, depending on how your team operates. After that, use the visual drag and drop board to track deal progression through your custom sales stages. This layout makes the pipeline much easier to understand at a glance. Instead of digging through records one by one, you can simply move deals from one stage to the next as progress happens. This is a practical way to keep your pipeline current, and it also helps your team quickly identify where deals may be stalling. To keep reporting accurate, it's a good habit to update stages as soon as a meaningful change happens in the sales conversation. Next, head to sales and then sequences to create sequence templates for automating regular follow-up emails. This can save a lot of time, especially if your team sends similar check-ins, reminders, or nurture messages on a regular basis. Well-built sequence templates help maintain consistency in communication while reducing manual effort. As you create them, keep the messaging clear, professional, and easy to personalize so the outreach still feels human and relevant. Finally, go to the reporting tab and review the team leaderboard metrics to evaluate closed-won performance. This gives you a quick way to measure results and see how the team is performing against goals. Leaderboard data can help highlight top performers, reveal trends, and show where additional coaching or support may be needed. By checking these metrics regularly, you can make better decisions and keep your sales process moving in the right direction.